Welcome to the second episode of How to Excel in Exams, where we share the best tips, strategies, and everything you need to know to succeed and excel in your examination. And today we are going to be talking about the power of early and regular revision. But before we start, make sure that you get the ebook containing the power of early and regular revision. This ebook contains everything I'm about to share with you in this video. So without further ado, without wasting your time, let's dive into this video. Now, a very important aspect of preparing for any examination is revising on a daily basis. Whenever our brain learns a new thing, it undergoes a chemical change. A chemical is being released into our brain, and this enables it to store whatever it learns on a short-term memory. For it to store whatever it learns, for it to transfer that which is in the short-term memory into the long-term memory, it has to undergo a structural change. The brain needs to expand more for it to learn and store something on the long-term memory. So for us to make this possible, we need regular practice to convert that chemical change into a structural change, just to make sure that it stores in the long-term memory. And this regular practice comes in form of daily exercises. Our brains is just like muscles. It needs to be exercised daily just to get the exact size and shape that it wants, just to stay fit, honestly. So reading and revising on a daily basis will help you to store more stuff on your long-term memory. The goal here is to store more stuff on your long-term memory so that you can easily remember whatever you study, whatever you read. Just make sure that you read and revise on a daily basis. This helps you to prepare more, so that at the last days, you'll not be procrastinating. You'll not join the procrastination gang and be saying, okay, I'll read this on this particular date. Man, if you start reading and revising on a daily basis, starting early from the day one, my dear, you will cover the course much more than others. Actually, you will cover. It's just like me. Whenever I resume school, I will start from, I'm not starting from day one. No, day one is for preparing. I will start from like the 5th day to get and prepare and start reading, because the earlier the better. The more you start reading, the more you start reading early, the more you can start covering the course earlier and get ahead of the lecturers. Because the way you make your bed is the way you lie on it. If you start preparing early, you will finish off early. And make sure that as you are preparing early, go beyond your notes. Don't focus on just reading and revising your notes. Get that recommended textbook, that textbook that your lecturer advises, that textbook that your lecturer recommends. Get that textbook and make sure that you read and revise that textbook on a daily basis. For you to excel in any examination, first of all, revise on a daily basis. As you revise on a daily basis, that is something that will make your revision much more easier, and that is having a revision timetable based on your syllabus. You've actually heard the popular saying, if you fail to plan, you simply plan to fail. Now, your revision timetable is just like a plan. It will guide you and also help you to stay focused on your revision. So, for you to be able to succeed and start early in preparing for any examination, you have to have a plan. You have to sketch out a rough plan in form of a timetable. That your timetable will help you to become accountable. Accountable. I'm rhyming. Your timetable will help you become much more accountable to your revision, to your studies. So for you to be able to plan and succeed and pass your examination, you need a personal revision timetable. And for you to easily remember whatever you revise, you need to adapt what we all call active revision method. This method is all about jotting down the key points and main ideas on your jotter or your revision book as you study. This has helped me a lot. Make sure that you are jotting down as you revise, as you study. Make sure that you jot down the key points, because it helps you to just remember the general idea behind it. Just make sure that whenever you revise a whole text, a whole context, get the key points, get the main ideas and jot them down, because it will help you to remember that context. It will help you to remember more on what you just read. This has helped me a lot. Whenever I'm revising, I always jot down each point just to easily remember, because it helps you to remember as you revise. Make sure that as you are studying and preparing for your examination, jot down word for word, just jot down the main ideas behind any context, behind any idea, behind anything. Just jot down the main points and just jot down the main ideas and key points as you study. And if you are actually using this method, please let me know in the comment section below. Now at this point, I have a question for you. Do you prefer studying at night like me, or are you a daytime student? Let me know in the comment section below. Many students find it difficult trying to adapt to a particular studying routine, like trying to study at night where they are supposed to be studying at day, where their personality accepts studying in the day. Me, I prefer studying at night because I've found my own style. It works well for me. So for you to prepare for any examination, know the maximum time that you can easily study without getting distracted. Are you a daytime person, or are you a nighttime student? Make sure that you figure that out and make sure that you utilize it. If you are a night timer, you will probably do well and focus much more in studying at night. And if you are a daytime student, you find it a lot more enjoyable studying in the day. And a bonus tip, if you're having any difficulty with any course and you are either a daytime or nighttime, make sure that you use that time that you have the maximum ability to focus. If you're a daytime, make sure that you study that difficult course on your daytime. And if you're a nighttime, make sure that you study that difficult course at the night, because it works well with our personality. That's time that you have the maximum enjoyment while studying. I don't know the rightful word, the rightful sentence to use, but that time that you find much more comfortable to study, it will help you to study and learn more. So choose your maximum periods, either daytime or nighttime, to study and tackle any course or subject that you find difficult. So the fifth thing that will help you to start early is choosing a particular place for studying. Now another question, where do you prefer studying? I enjoy studying at the library. I'm that kind of guy that prefers studying at the library than going to class. I'm that kind of guy that prefers studying at the library to attending lectures. I sleep, I wake up at the library, I do everything at the library. So make sure that you find that particular place for studying, because for me, why I said finding a particular place for studying is because it has helped me a lot. Whenever I get to the library, my brain just knows I'm here to work, I'm here to study. So finding a particular place for studying, choosing a particular place for your studies will help you to know that whenever you arrive at that place, your brain will just enter the mode of studying, and it will just eliminate any sort of procrastination. So make sure that you start finding a particular place for studying, either at the library or anywhere else. So if you love studying at the library, let me know in the comment section. Make sure you just start commenting, because I get to relate with you as you watch this video. The key things I want you to take away from this video is revise on a daily basis, because there is no time to waste. Prepare a plan called revision timetable to become accountable. Revise using active revision method. Jot down everything using bullet points, just jot down every main point and key points on your jotter. Know the particular time that you will enjoy studying, either night or day. Find a particular place for studying. Choose a particular place for studying to become active, to become in studying mode. Any place that you find more enjoying, that you find relaxed to study. And finally, like this video. Make sure that you get the ebook of everything that I just talked about in the description box and comment section below. It's super free. It's free. So make sure that you get the ebook and study the ebook. It will help you to understand more on the power of early and regular revision. I hope you enjoyed this video. This episode of how to excel in your exam covers the best tips, strategies, planning, everything you need to know to excel and succeed in any examination. So if you're interested, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification button to get notified. I am Maxi Fred, and all I do in this channel is to help you as a student. So if you haven't watched the first episode, watch it over here. Click on the video on your screen to watch the first episode, and I will see you in the next episode. I hope you laughed while watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next video. Make sure you motivate yourself today. Bye bye.